Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Cameron, and today I have the pleasure of sharing with you the sixth of the 6 healing sounds, the triple warmer. Now, the triple warmer is all about the fusion of all of the colors we've been working with in the 6 healing sounds. It's more or less the concept of the rainbow, the imagery of the rainbow. And I like to bring the imagery of a rainbow butterfly into this healing sound. The organ that we focus on is a vital organ, and it's the pericardium, the muscle that surrounds your heart. It is responsible. It is for it's the thermostat of your body. It's responsible for maintaining balance of temperature within your body. So many times we can become overheated and we're looking to cool down, or we can be too cold and we're looking to warm up. And the pericardium helps to regulate or monitor the temperature status of your body. So when we're practicing Qigong, you can be letting go of a lot of heat. You can be warming yourself up. And so the idea of the 6th healing sound is to bring balance back into your body with respect to temperature and the well-being of the maintenance of the temperature of your body. And so the triple warmer, the pericardium. And so it's the imagery of freeing ourselves on some level, bringing ourselves into that divine place of balance. It's a very simple healing sound, and it's done 3 times. So when you want to repeat the repetition, you would do it 3 times, pause, and then 3 times again if you wish. I often end class with the triple warmer and just do the 3 rounds, the 1 round, but the 3 healing sounds, the healing sound of the pericardium. And so with your hands on your lap, I'd like you to bring your awareness to your heart, but more specifically, your pericardium. And smile into this muscle. And feel it pulsating along with your heart. The sound is H-E. And so with your back nice and straight and your palms open, I'd like for you to breathe in the rainbow colors. And now bring your hands up to about eyebrow level and your fingers are open. This is the posture. Now, coupled with the sound, it looks like this. Breath in. So I'd like you to close your eyes now and bring your awareness to the white light of your lungs, the blue light of the kidneys, the water element, the green light of the liver, the tree element, the pink-red light of the heart, the fire element, and the yellow-gold light of the stomach, spleen, and pancreas, the earth element. Now breathe all of these colors in, all 5 colors. Breathe them in to your heart. Expand your heart and your pericardium. This is called fusion. raising your palms up. And on the out breath, move your hands to your knees and sending the energy to the earth, gathering the earth chi and breathing in. So we're combing our bodies with the 5 colors, representing all of the elements, sending it to the knees, and then sending the energy right down your legs, your feet, and deep into the earth. Let's try that again. Breathing in the 5 colors of the magnificent elements in nature. The 5 elements. Up to eyebrow level, hands wide open, and combing your body. Feeling the peace. Feeling the peace. The white light, blue light, green light, pink red light, and yellow gold of the 5 elements. Once again, the triple warmer, tummy out, breath in, envisioning the rainbow colors. So for the sake of learning this, we did a few extra rounds. So just remember, just to close off the healing sounds with 3 rounds, unless you wish to repeat another 3. So that concludes our practice of the 6 healing sounds, and I hope that you are deeply enjoying them. I am receiving such amazing feedback from people on what their experience has been. I am so elated with the opportunity to teach this virtually to all of you. And thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I will be producing more and more videos focusing on some of the meditations, certainly on more of the movements. So please visit often and practice the 6 healing sounds. If you wish to, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much, and happy Chi.